Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do the installation of Elegance Linux as a virtual machine on my system. Let us start. This is the ISO. The size of ISO is very big. It is 7.9 GB. Why it is so much big? Because it contains lot of tools, utilities for different kinds of users. It supports office users, it supports the general users, it supports designers, it supports photographers, it supports audio video professionals. All kinds of users are supported by one Linux, and because of this this Linux distro has a very big ISO. Total 7.9 GB raw CD image is there. Let us start with the installation. You have to use the Arch Linux profile. Just a moment, what happened? We will use the BIOS firmware. We cannot use EFI firmware because in GNOME boxes many of the Linux distributions have problem booting up using the UEFI in GNOME boxes. So we are going to use BIOS only, and we will use around 2 GB. 1 GB is also okay, but let us use, okay, so let us use 2 GB only. And for the storage limit we will use 35 GBs. That will be good enough. Okay, so let us create the system. Now, as in Manjaro, you get two options to boot with either open source drivers or with proprietary drivers, and this is the same boot selection that we get when we install Manjaro. So nothing, it is nothing different. It is just Manjaro only. Only the name has changed. It is called Elegance Linux here. You can change the key table. You can change the language from here. You can change the time zone also. Let us try to do, yes, we can change the time zones. We will use Kolkata. We will change the uh, keyboard layout. Let us use English and use Great Britain also. If EN is available, I will check. Otherwise, we can use US also. We can use if US is available. United States of America, or we can use Britain. Yes, GB we can use. Let us use GB. That is done. Language also we will change. We will use English. Yes, this is available. Key table GB is okay. I think it will not plot, or we can just check. Just a moment. Key table we will try again. If GB is there, okay, we will keep with GB only, and we will boot with open source drivers because okay, we can go with proprietary also because only NVIDIA won't be usable in virtual machine. Rest others proprietary drivers can work in virtual machine, so we will boot with the proprietary drivers. You can see they have still not changed the name here in the boot logs to Elegance Linux or Elegance OS. They are still using the name Manjaro. Yes, so we have booted into the live desktop of Elegance OS or Elegance Linux, you can call. Okay, say this yes, and this is the Manjaro hello that is seen on the screen, and this is the Manjaro installer. Let us go over to the Manjaro installer and start the installation itself. Desktop we will check in the next video. So Calamars installer is there, nothing new is there. We will use the correct time zone. Okay, and we will use the correct keyboard layout. erase disk, and manual partitioning. So we will use the erase disk option. You have got a good idea how to do the manual partitioning. I am not going with the manual partitioning. We will use swap, no require of swap. We will use btrfs. Yes, we can use btrfs if required. And then let us start the actual installation. Name, let us use, okay, we will use the tough password. Okay, done. So we are done, and now we'll click here, and this is the summary of the installation. What is going to get installed, how it is going to get installed on the on our system. Let us start with the installation. Install now. I think the installation will be very fast. It will be completed maybe in 5 minutes. Let us see. You can check out the time here. It is 17:54. Okay, so the installation is completed within acceptable time, and we will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the review of the Elegance Linux and check out all different applications that are available for designers, for photographers, for audio video professionals, and general users also. And then we can evaluate, compare it with the other Linux distributions offering similar experience and similar utilities and applications targeting the same users. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.